All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. I hope you are enjoying your day wherever you might be. So in today's video, I got another 5-minute scalping strategy. It's excellent for Forex, but as always, you can use it for crypto, stocks, indices, everything. Also, if you stick around to the very end of today's video, I will show you how to set up the trading alerts for this strategy so that you don't have to stare at the screen all day. So we're going to be using two different indicators for this strategy. The first indicator, we're going to type in L2 Perry, and it should be the only indicator that pops up. The second indicator that we'll be using is the combo STO plus RSI, and we're going to click on this one right here. So after we have our indicators loaded up, we're just going to go to settings on the first indicator, go over to inputs, and we're going to change the period F to 11. Feel free to change the style and visibility to your liking. All right, so this is how your chart should look similar to at this point. Also, at this point in the video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys would click on the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. I'm getting close to my 1,000 subscriber milestone, and I'll be releasing my free Telegram channel where I'll show you all my Forex trades that I do on a regular basis for free. All right, so now for the strategy. What we're going to be looking for is for the buy or sell signal to appear. So as we can see, we do have a sell signal, and we also have a red bar closing. Then we're going to go on here and look at the RSI combo, and we can see here that the line is trending below the 20 level. So we can see that the price action on this time frame is oversold. We have a sell indicator, and the red bar is closing below the line. So we can take our first short position, open the trade right here. As for the stop loss, I prefer to put it right where the two lines cross each other and move it up a few pips. That way, if your broker has a higher spread, you're not going to get stopped out on a trade like this. As for the take profit, what I like to do is I like to take my first position near the 1.5 risk reward ratio. After that, I move my stop loss down and I will hold the trade open until the two lines cross again. So as you can see, we had a massive winning trade on this short position. That is if you would have held on to the trade until the lines cross over again. So with the over, it's above a 7 risk reward ratio. You can get some pretty good trades out of this. All right, moving back, we can see we have a potential long position right here. We do have a green candle closing above the lines with the buy indicator appearing. And we can see that the RSI is trailing above the 80 level. However, this is a trade that I would probably not take, at least not for the Euro US dollar pair, because in this time zone, the Euro USD pair doesn't really trade a whole lot. On top of that, the amount of pips between the long position and the stop loss or the potential stop loss is massive. We can also see a lot of doji candles appearing as well. That's something that typically you want to avoid when trading. All right, here we do have a potential long position. Everything's lining up. All of our conditions have been met. So we'll open a long position right here. And you can see with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we do have a pretty solid winning trade. Again, if you closed out most of your position or at least half of it and held on to the lines crossed again, you can be able to squeeze a little bit more profit out of the trade, and you can move the stop loss up to prevent the trade from going south. And just before that, we have a pretty solid short position right here. We're going to open it, put our stop loss right up here. And even with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, the price action just blew right past the level. So yeah, it's a pretty good strategy. I'm sure that you can couple it with another indicator to increase the accuracy or even how much profit you'd be able to get out of the trades. Again, something to watch out for on top of the doji candles with the really long wicks. You want to make sure that not only do you have a sell position, but the bar is red and it has to be below the indicator. All right, as for setting up alerts on this strategy, all you're going to do is you're going to go to one of the sell or buy indicators. You're going to right click and you click on add alert. From here, you're going to click on once per bar close, and then you're going to make two different alerts, one for a long and one for a short position. You can extend the expiration date for the alerts as long as you want on TradingView. I think it goes up to like 2 or 3 months on the free version. But every time one of these indicators does appear, You'll be alerted on whatever device you have. And I mean, you can use it on the 5 minute. It looks like it works pretty well on the 15-minute time frame as well. Yeah, go ahead and let me know what you guys think. If you want to see any ideas for future videos, I think I'll be making more psychology or mindset related videos, especially when it comes to trading. But yeah, if you guys found value in today's video, again, I'd greatly appreciate it if you click on the like button. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video.